stranger here about how life is as a medical student in Baku. What's your name?
My name is Afra Shirin and I'm a third year medical student in the Azerbaijan Medical University. So, talking about the studies, actually when we come over here we think, okay, there's so much to study. Like, we have image in our mind, right, how a medical student's life is, but it's completely different than I thought. The curriculum and the system over here is like pretty much easier for like students, and yeah, and apart from studies, I would say we actually enjoy like going out with friends and everything. I actually lived in a private dormitory, but I moved out to an apartment right now, and it's much cheaper. And Baku is very cheap for a medical student. It's very cheap.
So guys, I found this another stranger over here, and I'll ask her as well. How is your life as a medical student in Baku?
It's been going well actually, and I must say that in Azerbaijan I feel like you have a balance between both studies and the extracurricular activities. I feel like you have much more time to like go out, explore and stuff. And even though like as she said, Baku is like a really small city, and there are like really like beautiful places to visit like outside of Baku in the whole Azerbaijan. And studies basically they teach in English only, a very structured teaching is there.
But if you want to be a good doctor, you have to study yourself. Like,
yeah,
they
won't
the
spoon feed
teachers
you.
and
They're not gonna
experts and all. You have to sit to yourself like and study well, or else 6 years will be a waste. Like so.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for telling us such good information about Baku and medicine in Baku. I'd also like to ask the name of your college.
The college that I study is Azerbaijan Medical University, AMU.
AMU. Okay, guys. So if you guys are planning to do your medical studies abroad, you might want to come here. I tell you, don't come. So actually, I won't say don't come, but like the thing is, anywhere you go to study, it either be US, UK, London, US, UK, Baku, anywhere it would be. The thing is, you have to study on your own.
Any medical college, they're not gonna
Any medical
teach
college.
You just have to study by
They're
yourself.
just gonna spoon feed you like
Yeah.
in school. You just have
Yeah,
to
there's no spoon feeding being done here, so you need to put in the efforts, you need to start studying, you need to take care of yourselves, and the passion in you should not die. Regardless of failure, success, you should keep going, you should keep climbing each step and keep making sure that you get through it.
It actually doesn't matter which college or which uni you get
Yeah.
into. All it matters is your dedication, your passion, as she said.
Yes.
The effort that you put in as a person. That's what makes you a good doctor, not the
Exactly.
university.
Exactly. So guys, choose your degree wisely. Whatever degree you're going for, you need passion for it. And if you're going for medicine, then make sure that you have the passion for it and you hard work. You work very hard for getting that thing and succeeding in that particular field, whatever it is. And that's it for today. I'd like to conclude this. I thank these two people who have become my friends now. I won't call them strangers. It was really nice to meet them here.
All the best for the future doctors,
All the
for
best,
any
guys.
all the students.
Med students,
All
anyone.
students. Bye bye.
Thank you guys. Bye guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.